Puppy Linux is one of those rare operating systems that feels like a hidden treasure in the world of Linux. A lightweight, yet surprisingly powerful distribution that has earned a loyal following for its speed, portability, and ability to revive old or low-spec hardware. When people first hear the name Puppy Linux, they don't always realize how unique it is compared to mainstream distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, or Arch-based systems. Puppy Linux isn't just another Linux distribution. It is a philosophy, a way of computing that prioritizes efficiency, simplicity, and user freedom. This video dives deep into what makes Puppy Linux so special, how it works internally, why it is still relevant today, and what you can do with it, whether you are using a decades-old machine, a modern system, or even running it from a USB drive without touching your hard disk. Understanding Puppy Linux requires starting with its origin story. It was created by Barry Kohler in 2003 as an experiment in building a tiny yet complete desktop operating system that could run entirely in RAM. This single design choice would go on to define Puppy Linux for generations, when used properly. Puppy isn't installed in the traditional way, but instead loads fully into your system's memory, making the entire OS run at incredible speed. This also means that Puppy Linux is one of the few operating systems in the world where shutting down, saving your work, or resetting your environment can be completely controlled by the user. Once the entire OS is in RAM, applications launch instantly, file management becomes snappy, and even older CPUs feel brand new because the bottleneck of slow hard drives is bypassed entirely. If you've ever used a live environment from Ubuntu or Fedora, you might think that's the same idea, but Puppy Linux takes it much further. While most live OS environments are designed primarily for installation or recovery, Puppy Linux is designed to be used as a daily driver directly from USB, CD, or even from a frugal install with minimal disk footprint. And here lies one of the greatest advantages of Puppy Linux: its size. A full Puppy Linux ISO is often under 300 megabytes, sometimes even smaller depending on the specific Puppy flavor. In an age where modern distributions routinely exceed 3 or 4 gigabytes, Puppy Linux stands out as a masterclass in minimalism. Despite being lightweight, Puppy Linux does not compromise on features. It includes a complete graphical desktop environment, usually JWM Joe's Window Manager or OpenBox, offering a clean, traditional interface that is easy for both beginners and experts to navigate. Its interface is intentionally simple, not flashy or overwhelming, which keeps resource usage incredibly low. It does not need powerful graphics hardware, and it runs flawlessly on machines that can barely handle Windows XP or Windows 7. The magic becomes even more apparent when you explore the modular nature of Puppy Linux. Each Puppy version is built on top of another larger Linux distribution. There are Ubuntu-based puppies, Slackware-based puppies, and Debian-based puppies, which means you can access the repositories of the base distribution while still enjoying a super lightweight Puppy environment. This unique structure allows users to maintain compatibility with familiar package managers and software ecosystems. But Puppy takes things further by offering its own package format called pet packages, and the additional SFS files, which can be loaded or unloaded on the fly. SFS modules essentially allow users to install large software bundles instantly without taking up space in the traditional file system. For example, you can load an SFS file containing a full Office suite like LibreOffice, use it, and unload it when done without writing anything to your disk permanently. This design gives Puppy Linux a sense of flexibility rarely found in other operating systems. Another remarkable aspect of Puppy Linux is its persistent system. When running Puppy from a USB drive or CD, you can choose whether or not to save your session. If you want a fresh environment every time, you simply decline saving and reboot into a clean slate. If you want your files, system settings, installed programs, and personal data preserved, Puppy provides a save file or save folder mechanism that stores your changes. This is incredibly powerful for privacy, experimentation, and system recovery. You can run a Puppy Linux session on someone else's computer without leaving any trace behind. Or you can maintain multiple save files for different purposes, for example. One for browsing, one for programming, one for gaming emulation, and so on. Puppy Linux excels in scenarios where other operating systems fail. If you have an old laptop that is slow, bloated, sluggish, or unable to run modern software, Puppy instantly brings it back to life. Machines with as little as 128 megabytes or 256 megabytes of RAM, completely unusable in modern computing, become surprisingly responsive under Puppy Linux. Its ability to run on ancient hardware makes it a favorite among computer recyclers, educators, and anyone who wants to reduce electronic waste. Puppy Linux has been used in schools, computer labs, small businesses, and even in cybersecurity environments where a fast, read-only operating system is extremely valuable. Yet Puppy Linux is not only for old hardware, it also shines on modern systems. When loaded into RAM on a new machine, Puppy Linux becomes one of the fastest operating systems you will ever use. Applications launch instantly. Boot time becomes mere seconds. Usage stays minimal, leaving more power available for tasks like coding, browsing, light video editing, and office work. Whether you're using Firefox, Chromium, Pale Moon, Vivaldi, or any number of lightweight browsers included in Puppy variants, web performance remains smooth. Even with multiple tabs open, Puppy's efficiency ensures that resources are used smarter, not harder. One of the most overlooked strengths of Puppy Linux is its community. For decades, the Puppy Linux forum has been one of the most active, friendly, and supportive Linux communities. Users share remasters, guide newcomers, maintain documentation, and constantly refine features. Puppy Linux has spawned dozens of Puplets community remixes tailored for different use cases. These include gaming-oriented puppies, educational puppies, ultra-tiny puppies under 100 megabytes, media-focused puppies, scientific puppies, and even puppies designed specifically for older hardware, like Pentium 3 or Atom processors. Every puppy flavor is built around the same principles: lightweight, fast, modular, and easy to use. Puppy Linux also includes some surprisingly powerful utilities, despite its small size. The built-in Puppy Package Manager (PPM) allows users to install software from multiple repositories, including Slackware, Debian, or Ubuntu sources, depending on the base system. Tools like QuickPet streamline installation of popular applications. Puppy's system configuration tools are incredibly straightforward, offering simple GUIs for everything from network configuration to printing. Sound settings, keyboard layout, desktop wallpapers, and even advanced system controls. Even though Puppy Linux is lightweight, it includes essential applications out of the box: a browser, text editors, media players, PDF readers, word processors, spreadsheets, drawing programs, calculators, email clients, terminal apps, and system utilities. You get a complete operating system ready for work immediately after booting. Puppy Linux embraces one of the most diverse and customizable boot options of any Linux distribution. You can install it traditionally to a hard drive, run it fully in RAM, boot it from a USB, run it from a CD, use a frugal install that occupies minimal disk space, or even run multiple Puppy versions side by side without conflict. This flexibility makes Puppy ideal for troubleshooting and repairing systems. You can use it to rescue data, fix bootloaders, clone drives, scan for malware, or recover deleted files. Because Puppy runs outside the affected system, it is exceptionally useful as a recovery tool. The Puppy Linux ecosystem includes different Puppy families. Slacko-Puppy is based on Slackware and valued for stability and reliability. Ubuntu or Debian-based puppies, often known as UPUP or DPUP, offer access to massive repositories and recent software. FatDog64 provides a 64-bit variant that is more feature-rich and suitable for powerful hardware while maintaining. Puppy's lightweight philosophy. Each Puppy family has its own strengths, but all share the core Puppy Linux characteristics: small footprint, fast performance, modular architecture, and incredible customizability. A defining feature that makes Puppy stand out is how user-friendly it is. While many lightweight distros cater to advanced users who enjoy configuring their systems manually, Puppy Linux offers graphical tools for almost everything. Beginners feel comfortable, while power users appreciate the ability to dive deeper. This dual design philosophy ensures that Puppy Linux appeals to a wide range of users. Puppy also has a strong culture of remastering. Remastering allows anyone to create their own custom Puppy variant without needing deep technical knowledge. You can tweak the system, add your preferred applications, remove what you don't need, change the appearance, customize settings, and then generate a brand new ISO file containing your personalized Puppy Linux. This makes Puppy one of the most flexible and educational Linux distributions available today. Developers, hobbyists, and educators use Puppy Linux as a platform to experiment, create custom distros, teach operating system concepts, and even develop lightweight applications optimized for older hardware. Another key part of Puppy's value is its focus on efficiency. Modern operating systems often sacrifice speed and responsiveness for extra features, animations, and visual effects. Puppy Linux takes the opposite approach. It focuses on function, not flash. Every application is carefully selected for speed, stability, and minimal resource consumption. This philosophy makes Puppy a refreshing alternative for people tired of bloated software and slow systems. While Puppy Linux is extremely lightweight, it does have limitations. Heavy professional workloads like 4K video editing, advanced 3D rendering, or large-scale development environments may not be ideal on Puppy, especially if the machine running it is old. While modern Puppies can handle many tasks with ease, they are not designed as replacements for full-featured heavyweight distros in every use case. However, for everyday computing, such as browsing, watching videos, writing documents, basic photo editing, email, and simple productivity tasks, Puppy performs exceptionally well. Puppy's small size does not mean reduced security. In fact, Puppy's stateless design enhances security. If you choose not to save your session, every boot is a clean environment with no stored malware, no leftover spyware, no tracking files, and no persistent configuration issues. For privacy-conscious users, journalists, activists, or individuals working with sensitive data, Puppy Linux provides a simple but powerful approach to secure computing. Additionally, Puppy Linux users have control over updates. Unlike many distros that force automatic updates or require large system upgrades, Puppy lets users update what they want, when they want. This is ideal for users with limited bandwidth or systems that should remain stable and unchanged for specific tasks. Gaming on Puppy Linux is more capable than most people expect. Lightweight games, emulators for retro consoles, and browser-based games run extremely well. Older machines that struggle with modern OS requirements can become excellent retro gaming stations under Puppy Linux. Emulators like RetroArch, Spiv, MAME, and others run smoothly with the right configuration. The philosophy of Puppy Linux is rooted in freedom and simplicity. It does not assume users need constant hand-holding, nor does it complicate basic tasks. Instead, it gives users tools that are easy to understand, offering speed without sacrificing capability. Users who have never experienced a lightweight Linux distribution before are often surprised by how enjoyable computing becomes when their system responds instantly. Puppy Linux's small footprint also makes it easy to archive, distribute, and carry. You can store multiple versions of Puppy on a single USB drive, boot different puppies depending on your needs, or maintain a portable computing environment that fits in your pocket. This portability is one of Puppy's most practical, real-world advantages. Your operating system, your files, your applications, and your settings can travel with you and run on almost any computer without installation. To appreciate Puppy Linux fully, you have to experience how it transforms older machines. A computer considered useless in today's world suddenly becomes fast again. A system that crawls under a heavy OS boots in seconds under Puppy. Tasks that seemed impossible on limited hardware become effortless. Puppy Linux is not just a technical solution. It is an extension of a philosophy that values resourcefulness and sustainability. Rather than throwing old machines away, users can keep their hardware functional for years longer than expected, reducing electronic waste and maximizing value. Over time, Puppy Linux has evolved through contributions from countless developers and community members. It continues to receive new releases, updated kernels, improved compatibility, new features, and enhanced user experience while preserving its core identity. Puppy Linux stands as a reminder that computing does not need to be heavy, bloated, slow, or demanding. A lightweight OS built with careful design and thoughtful simplicity can outperform much larger systems in everyday tasks. Whether you are a beginner curious about Linux, a professional looking for a portable OS, a student experimenting with technology, or someone with an old computer that needs a second life, Puppy Linux provides a powerful and flexible solution. Speed, portability, modularity, and user-friendly design place it in a category of its own. Puppy is not just another Linux distribution. It is an entire ecosystem built around efficiency, freedom, and community collaboration. And that is why, even after more than 2 decades, Puppy Linux remains a beloved choice in the Linux world, because it gives new life to old systems, gives power back to the user, and proves that small can not only be beautiful, but also incredibly powerful.